there's a kid. There's a kid on our list.
Don't say that.
And Bennett is just trolling.
Martin has a crush.
You see what we're dealing with? Bennett told Bennett told the kid that I have a crush on his teacher, and now he's making up all these deals.
Alright, let's put them back down for you so they don't fall off. You know where they are.
Boom.
Horse poop butt, Martin has a crush on my Skippy teacher.
Yeah.
Poop, 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 poop.
Poop, 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 poop.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's. Where are you from?
This is ridiculous.
I'm from Colorado.
Colorado?
Yes.
What city? Denver? Same. Me too.
You're in Texas, guy.
I'm from Texas, yeah.
Well, no,
I
you're
was
in
saying-
Texas.
Right now?
No, but you live in Texas.
I live in Texas.
Yeah.
I'm from Florida.
Yeah.
This makes no sense.
All right. You ready? We'll hang out up here for your teacher.
Okay. And I say, what's his name? Teen has a crush on me.
Yeah. That's all you need to know. That's okay. Everyone does. Everyone gets embarrassed.
I never.
You never do? Well, one day, maybe you will. Or maybe you won't.
Yeah. Let's just troll this guy.
That's so funny. Is he a big talker?
Oh my god, not in the beginning, but then after like a few minutes.
Yeah, Bennett pried him open and then he just started yapping.
Damn,
Big
I
yapper.
was like,
Oh, he's telling it right now. He's telling it right now.
He's
Telling it right now.
He's over there.
We got a good story. Oh my god, she's glowing, team.
Bennett told the kid that I had a crush on the teacher. so now he's telling the teacher. I'm good.
She's really nice. She's from Maine.
Oh, cool. I just met people from Maine.
There you go.
Or who live in Maine.
She was so nice. Her name's Lily.
Oh, nice.
You know?
Yeah. No, I'm just saying, like, this genre of beer just reminds me of college in general.
Oh, for sure.
Like, I'm just like, I've
Just
only...
a light beer?
Yeah. Like, I've drinking more of these out of a Frisbee than I have out of a can.
Oh, Frisbee chugs suck.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, they do.
He was on the opposite side.
That makes it way better.
He hit
I was
it.
fucking right next to Zachary and with the instructor. No.
Oh, the
You
instructor.
should
Yeah,
have
I was
offered the instructor some
I'm like,
beer.
hey, did you want a beer? She might have said yes. Your wife, you mean? Yeah, she was really cool. I liked her.
Well, he has a crush on her, so he likes
No,
her
I
more
know.
than you.
Yeah.
How old do you think she is?
I don't even know what she looks like.
Probably old enough.
I don't even know what she looks
enough.
like.
Old enough. Old
Is
enough
how
to
old?
be 18.
Is 18? Okay, yeah, she's definitely
She's
18.
definitely older than 18.
I think she's in
No,
her
she wasn't.
20s.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my guess is like 23, 24.
Yeah.
She
Oh,
looks
so
younger.
young.
She looked like she hadn't like seen too much shit, you know? Hey, wait here, give me a little cheers. Oh, cheers! Ah.
She hasn't seen too much.
Here, give me a trust sip.
A little sip.
A little sippy sip. I'm
Some?
definitely.
Are you getting any? Yeah.
Yeah, that was a big gulp. I was like, damn it, son of a... But I was
I thought
trusting
you
you.
were trying to get more.
I think it's after the bridge.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.